And last one, current gain. So that's what the why the negative sign, that explanation is given here. In common emitter amplifier, there is a 180-degree out of phase between input and output signal. Now current gain. Current gain is output current by input current. Output current is IL. Input current is II. So IL by II. IL and I naught are opposite flowing. So IL will be equal to minus I naught. I naught is equal to IC. IC is equal to HFVIB. So if you simplify, IL equal IL by II minus I naught by II minus HFVIB by II and IB are same because this RB is neglected. So whatever current flowing through II is going to be the same thing through IB. So if you divide, you get AI equal to minus HFV. This minus sign again indicates 180-degree out of phase value of current gain in common emitter amplifier. See, this one circuit, if you understand clearly how to find the input impedance, how to find the output impedance, how to find the voltage gain, how to find the current gain, we are going to apply the same logic for all the other biasing circuits and do the same thing. See, in all the cases, we are going to find only these four parameters: input impedance, output impedance, current gain, voltage gain. First, we have taken fixed bias circuit, right? So it is the simplest of biasing circuits. So we have taken that circuit first, and we have first thing, draw the fixed bias circuit with the AC components. Then draw the AC equivalent circuit. From that, draw the H parameter equivalent circuit. From that, analyze the circuit and find out the answers for input impedance, output impedance, voltage gain, current gain. Is it clear? Anybody is having doubts in the derivation of all the four expression? Is it clear? See, don't think you will have online exam again. In case if you have online exam or your offline exam, without understanding all these concepts, you cannot even draw the circuit and write the exams physically. So don't think again online exams you can copy the answers and write. No, that is not possible. When you have offline exam, this difficulty will come. How will the difficulty go? Only when you understand the functioning of all the circuits properly. Otherwise, you can never derive even one parameter in a correct way. So please understand how these parameters are derived. This circuit is meant for understanding the parameters, because as you draw other circuits, they will become slightly complex. So only if you understand this circuit thoroughly, the other biasing circuits will be easily understood by you. Any doubt in the derivation of four parameters in the common emitter amplifier? You can ask your doubts here. Anything is confusing or anything is not clear, please immediately ask. This one circuit is very, very important. It is the foundation. If you are not understanding this fixed bias circuit, other things, character to base bias and voltage divider bias circuits will again be confusing to you only. Are things clear or not? If you have any doubts, you ask.